Bougie babes, how's it doing? Welcome to my channel, Fashion, Beauty, and Everything Nice. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get an eye ring using only 3 items. And it's the perfect eye ring. This video is a hack tutorial hack. So whatever you want to call it, name it, you go for it. So first things first, you're gonna need tape, duct tape, black tape, whatever tape. I prefer more clear tape, but you can get this at the local store, $99, Dollar Tree, don't matter, 2 for $1. So look for that one. Second of all, what you're gonna be needing is a mirror. It could be round, flat, square, it don't matter, just a simple mirror. So you can see your reflection, you know, pretty face, bougie face. And third of all, you're gonna be needing a liquid eyeliner. You can use a black Sharpie, a black Crayola. Girl, don't matter, but I prefer you using a black liquid eyeliner because, like, you know, they're the best of them all. And yeah, those are the 3 items that you're gonna be needing for this hack tutorial hack. Again, whatever you want to call it. And yep. So that's the video for today, and it's the perfect wing. And yes, let's just jump right into this bomb ass video. Okay. Was another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram if you have not already. I will put that in the description box below. Also, give me 2 thumbs up if I can make that possible for this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, Bougie babes.